Hi, welcome. This is Chiranjeevi. Today we are going to learn about application of derivatives in that rate measures from the problems 12 to 18, which you have learned already 1 to 11 in the last this one. Next problem, a ladder of 20 feet long rests against a smooth vertical wall. If the lower end, which is on a smooth horizontal floor, is moved away from the wall at the rate of 2 feet per second, find the rate at which the upper end moves when the lower end is 12 feet away from the wall. See, here ladder is 20 feet, so the BC will be 20 and AB will be X and AC will be 2 feet Y. Given dx by dt equal to 2 feet per second, from the triangle x square plus y square equal to 20 square, which is x square plus y square will be 400. Lower end x equal to 12 square plus y square equal to 400. So y square is 400 minus 144, which is 256. So y equal to 16. Differentiating with respect to t, 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt equal to 0. So taking 2 outside, x dx by dt plus y dy by dt equal to 0. Substituting the values of x is 12, dx by dt is 2 and y is 16, we get 12 into 2 plus 16 into dy by dt equal to 0. 24 plus 16 dy by dt equal to 0. dy by dt equal to minus 24 by 16, which is minus 3 by 2 feet per second. The ladder is moving downwards at the rate of 3 by 2 feet per second. These problems are very important for 5 marks. Next one, a ladder of 24 feet long leans against a vertical wall. The lower end is moving away at the rate of 3 feet per second. Find the rate at which the top of the ladder is moving downwards if the foot is 8 feet from the wall. Same procedure, we draw the triangle. Ladder is 24 and x is 8. Let y feet be the height of the wall at which the ladder touches. Let the foot of the ladder be x feet away from the wall. Given dx by dt equal to 3 feet per second, x equal to 8 feet. By Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square equal to 576. Lower end x equal to 8 square plus y square equal to 576. Y square equal to 576 minus 64 equal to 5 and 2. So y can be taken as 16 root 2. Consider x square plus y square equal to 576. Differentiate with respect to t. 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt equal to 0. X dx by dt plus y dy by dt equal to 0. Now substituting the value of x dx by dt and y, 8 into 3 plus 16 root 2 dy by dt equal to 0. dy by dt equal to minus 24 divided by 16 root 2. So dy by dt equal to minus 3 by 2 root 2 feet per second. The ladder is moving downwards at the rate of 3 by 2 root 2 feet per second. Next one, a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? Same procedure, ladder is 5 meters. Let y meters be the height of the wall at the ladder touches. Let the foot of the ladder be x meter away from the wall. Given dx by dt is 2 centimeter per second, x equal to 4 meters. By Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square equal to 25. Lower end x equal to 4 square plus y square equal to 25. Y square equal to 25 minus 16 equal to 9. Y equal to 3. Consider x square plus y square equal to 25. Differentiating with respect to t, 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt equal to 0. X dx by dt plus y dy by dt equal to 0. Now substitute in the values of x dx by dt and y. 4 into 2 plus 3 into dy by dt equal to 0. dy by dt equal to minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. The height of the ladder on the wall is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Next one, a particle moves along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate, which is asked in the year March 2015 and July 2018. So here given y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate, which is dy by dt equal to 8 into dx by dt. Given 6y equal to x cube plus 2 and dy by dt equal to 8 into dx by dt. Differentiating with respect to t, 6 into dy by dt equal to 3x square into dx by dt, and differentiation of 2 is 0. Now substituting for dy by dt, 6 into 8 into dx by dt equal to 3x square dx by dt. Dx by dt will cancels. 48 equal to 3x square equal to 16, x equal to plus or minus 4. Now when x equal to 4, 6y equal to 4 cube plus 2, which is 66. So y equal to 66 by 6, y equal to 11. So the point is 4 comma 11. When x equal to minus 4, 6y equal to minus 4 cube plus 2, which is minus 62. So y equal to minus 62 by 6, which is minus 31 by 3. The point is minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. Very important problem. Next one, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing. Here you need to remember decreasing will be negative sign at the rate of 3 cm per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 2 cm per minute. When x equal to 10 cm and y equal to 6 cm, find the rate of change of first one the perimeter, second one the area of the rectangle, which is asked in March 2016 and March 2019. Given dx by dt equal to minus 3 cm per minute and dy by dt equal to 2 cm per minute, x equal to 10 cm and y equal to 6 cm. Perimeter of the rectangle p equal to 2 into x plus y. Differentiating with respect to t, dp by dt equal to 2 will be as it is. Differentiation of x is dx by dt plus differentiation of y is dy by dt. Now substituting the values of dx by dt and dy by dt. dp by dt equal to 2 into minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 cm per minute. Area of a rectangle capital A equal to x into y. Differentiating with respect to t. See here we have x and y, so we need to go by product rule. dA by dt equal to x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. So substituting x dy by dt, y dx by dt. dA by dt equal to 10 into 2 plus 6 into minus 3. 20 minus 18 is 2 cm square per minute. Next one, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per minute. When x equal to 8 cm and y equal to 6 cm, find the rate of change of first one the perimeter, second one the area of the rectangle, which is asked in the year March 2017 and July 2014. Given dx by dt equal to minus 5 cm per minute, dy by dt equal to 4 cm per minute, x equal to 8 cm and y equal to 6 cm. Perimeter of the rectangle p equal to 2 times of x plus y. Differentiating with respect to t, dp by dt equal to 2 into dx by dt plus dy by dt. dp by dt equal to 2 into minus 5 plus 4, which is minus 2 cm per minute. Area of a rectangle capital A equal to x into y. X into y is there, we need to go by product rule. Differentiating with respect to t, dA by dt equal to x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. dA by dt equal to substituting x dy by dt and y dy by dt values 8 into 4 plus 6 into minus 5. 32. 8 4s are 32 minus 30 is 2 cm square per minute. Next one, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 cm cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeters? Asked in June 2017, June 2015, March 2018, June 2019 and March 2020. Let R, H and V be the radius, height and volume of the water in the cone at T. Volume of the cone is V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H. Given H equal to 1 by 6 times of R, so R will be 6H. Now here they have been, volume is in two variables R and H, but they have been given only the value of H, so we need to convert radius into height. So substituting 2 in 1, V equal to pi by 3, 6H square into H. 6H square will become 36H square, 3 ones are 3 12s are, so it will be 12 pi H cube. Differentiating with respect to T, dV by dt equal to 12 pi into differentiation of H cube is 3H square into dH by dt. So it will be 36 pi H square dH by dt. So given dV by dt is 12 centimeter cube per second and the value of H is 4 centimeter. Now substituting and simplifying, we get dH by dt equal to 12 divided by 36 pi, H is 4 square which is 16. So 12 ones are 12 threes are. 3 into 16 will become 48 pi. 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Thank you. Yours Chiranjeevi. Please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.